Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 5th, subject English, topic number 10, 3 sacks of rice. Students, the picture you can see on your right hand side is of your English workbook. So lesson number 10, 3 sacks of rice is on page number 30 of your English workbook. The picture which you can see on your left hand side is of your English textbook. So this lesson is on page number 23 of your English textbook. So these are the meanings which we learn in the lesson. Let us start with summative evaluation. 1. Written practice classwork homework. Assignment 1. Textbook, page 23. So the passage starts from "you may have read." So it is from here and ends on "you are such an honest person" till here. Question number 1. Write the answers to the following questions. First, what common qualities did the 3 brothers have? So the answer is here. All 3 of them were honest, kind and hardworking. And all 3 of them were fond of their mother. So let us write the answer in complete sentence. All the 3 brothers were honest, kind and hardworking. They were all fond of their mother. Question number 2. What was the businessman looking for? Why? So the answer is here. But now I am getting old and my only daughter is of a marriageable age. I am looking for a son-in-law who would be a good husband to my daughter and who would also handle my business well. So, let us write the answer properly. The businessman was getting old. His daughter was of marriageable age. He was looking for a son-in-law who would be a good husband to his daughter as well as handle his business well. Question number 3. What did the businessman give each of the 3 brothers? So the answer is here. He gave them each a sack of rice. So let us write the answer. The businessman gave each of the 3 brothers a sack of rice. Question number 4. How long was the businessman away? So the answer is here. It was nearly a year before he came back. So let us write the answer properly. The businessman was away for nearly a year. Question number 2. Find the opposites of the following words from the passage. So we have to find the opposite of the following word from the passage. So first is begun. So let us find the opposite word of begun. Come on, find students. Yes, the answer is here, finished. So, finished. Question number 2, bought. So, let us find the opposite word. Come on, find students. Read properly. So, the answer is here, sold. So, the opposite word is sold. Question number 3, reject. So, we already know the opposite word, but let us find the word from the passage. So, reject, opposite word of reject. Come on, read fast, students. Are you all finding it? The word is here, accept. So, accept. Question number 3. Find at least 5 adjectives from the passage. So now here from this passage, we have to find at least 5 adjectives. So let us start. The first one is here, strong. Okay, so write strong. Then here only, clever. So write clever. Then the next is unkind. So write unkind. Then the next is here, small. So small. And let us find the next from down. So it can be here, good husband. So good. So let us write good. Question number 4. List at least 3 words that will go with the adjectives given below. So now we have to list at least 3 words that will go with these adjectives. Okay, so the first is simple. So let us find the word. It can be simple job, right? So let us write simple job. Then the next word here, simple sun. Yes, so simple sun. And the next can be simple person. So let us write simple person. And the next 3 are for homework. Assignment 2, textbook page 24. So the passage starts from then the friend, that is here, and the passage ends on his future son-in-law, that is here. So question number 1, write the answers to the following questions. First, how did the middle brother use the rice? So the middle brother said that I distributed the rice among the poor in your name. So let us write the answer properly. The middle brother distributed the rice among the poor. Question number 2. Was it right for the youngest brother to ask for a share in the money? Why? So students, we saw that the youngest brother was right in asking for a share in the money because he had done a lot of work and had earned a profit from the original sack of rice. He was keeping back only a small part of this profit in return for the labor and the money he had spent and giving most of it to the friend. So let us write the answer properly. Yes, the youngest brother was right in asking for a share in the money. He had done a lot of work and had earned a profit from the original sack of rice. He was keeping back only a small part of this profit in return for the labor and money he had spent and giving most of it to the friend. Question number 3. Was the businessman happy with what the middle brother had done? So from this lines, that is, no, my boy, you acted wisely and kindly. The blessings that I got from the poor people are enough for me. Please don't even think about the money anymore. So from this line, we came to know that the businessman was happy with what the middle brother had done. So let us write the answer properly. Yes, the businessman was happy with what the middle brother had done. Question number 4. How did the youngest brother welcome the businessman? So the answer is here. When the friend went to visit the youngest son, he too welcomed him with love and respect. So let us write the answer properly. The youngest brother welcomed the businessman with love and respect. Question number 2. Find the opposites of the following words from the passage. So the first word is eldest. So we saw here the opposite word of eldest is youngest. So let us write youngest. Question number 2, lent. So let us find the opposite word. So read and find the opposite word from the passage. So yes, here the opposite word is borrowed. Earn. Question number 3 is earn. So the opposite word is here, that is spent. So earn and spent. Question number 4, narrow. We already know the opposite word, but let us find the word from the passage. So read. Are you all finding it? Yes. We know the opposite word, but let us find from the passage. So the word is here, that is wide. Narrow, wide. Question number 3. Find at least 5 adjectives from the passage. So you have to find at least 5 adjectives from the passage. So this question is for homework. Question number 4. List at least 3 words that will go with the adjectives given below. So these are the adjectives given below. So you have to list at least 3 words that will go with these words. Okay, so this question is also for homework. Open-ended question. Imagine you are one of the 3 brothers. Write in short what you did with the rice. So now you have to imagine that you are one of the 3 brothers. And then you have to write in short that what you will do with the rice or what you did with the rice. So this question is for homework.